you're going to be in Orlando area anytime soon and you are searching for a water park to go to, I want to recommend Volcano Bay. Now, of course, given circumstances in terms of COVID, make sure that you're taking the appropriate precautions before you go. But I was able to go last year and wanted to share some shots of Volcano Bay, which in my estimation were outstanding, absolutely outstanding. This is off of I-4. This is one of the newer attractions in Orlando, newer being within the last 2 years. So if you haven't been to Orlando, in the last year or so, or particularly if you're looking for a water park, I would recommend Volcano Bay. The Lowe's Hotel and some of the other Universal properties that were being built during this time are all completed. You can really see the water park from the hotels, and it is a fantastic view. I've been to a number of water parks, and this has probably got to be my favorite. And yes, you're guessing why, and it's because of the volcano itself. It is monstrous. It is very visible, even from the freeway. And in the park throughout the day, it was just awe-inspiring to continue to look at and hear the different sounds. There are a number of water rides that actually originate within the volcano. The entry, I think this particular time, I can't recall exactly what it is. It's probably about $80 or so for adult, and you will not be able to bring your video cameras and things like that with you. I think you can bring your cell phone if you have one of those necktie strap deals that you can get from Walmart or Target that is covered in plastic. Of course, it is water everywhere. There are a number of lockers that you can, put your personal items in. My recommendation is, particularly on a busy day, go to the back of the park and use the lockers there. Everyone will stop at the front of the park, get their Tabu, which is their basically magic band from Universal, which is how you actually get on the rides. You want to go toward the back, and you want to be able to secure your lockers there. Be a lot more room. There'll be restrooms there, very clean, very nice for you to change into your swim guards. But I just want to kind of show you this because I ran across some of this footage and I said, hey, I never really posted this. So I just want to throw this up, give you an idea of what it looked like. I wasn't able to capture every single corner of the park. Obvious reasons probably because I was walking around with, I didn't have a wrist guard, for my camera. Otherwise, I would have just had a GoPro or something like that on when you're on the rides. I was able to bring my phone on one, and you'll be able to see that ride. And again, I recommend Volcano Bay. So check it out if you're in the area. One of the things I really liked about Volcano Bay and having the Tabu, which is the armband, it puts you into a virtual line and you don't really have to stand and wait around. It will alert you when it is time to go and to get on the ride, and it's very minimal wait. So that works well for everyone. This particular scene is underneath the cave, where you can actually talk to the spirits of
just walking down the street, and then a fish says, hey, you should go attack. And so you look at
and it just was nice and very picturesque.
But not so bad that they listen to the
I think the entire property was done really well. Hopefully you'll go on the day where it's not super busy. I think if you go soon, given that people are not out as much, you stand a chance of being able to get on most of the rides, most of the slides, and really enjoy yourself without the crowd. This particular day, it was so busy. We were able to see a lot, but I felt like we left a lot undone. So we will be going back. We'll be going back soon. But again, I really enjoyed the time there. It's definitely an all-day park. You can sit and lounge, or you can just ride slide after slide. It's really very enjoyable. There were two lazy rivers. One was a little bit more aggressive than the other, and you'll figure out that once you get on them. This is coming and going. You will have to ride the transport over to Universal from Volcano Bay from Universal's parking. And this is us exiting. And of course, when you exit, you have to leave them your tabu, or else you're going to get in trouble. They did have some folks standing by, and they do have alarms and things like that at that gate. So if you try to sneak one out, you will be unsuccessful. So please obey the protocol there and turn your tabu in. But I did think, in terms of the scenery and different things, it was really, really nice. I really enjoyed this, and I'm looking forward to going back. Thank you guys for checking us out. Please subscribe if you haven't done so, and there'll be more content like this on the channel very soon. Thanks.